Good morning, everyone. It's me again, and we'll still do our morning meeting online. Again, the same four parts: greeting, sharing, group activity, and morning message. So let's just greet to each other. Ready? Let's start with the Somali way to say good morning. 3, 2, 1. Sabah wa neksan. Sabah wa neksan. And then, do you remember the Chinese way of saying good morning? 3, 2, 1. 早上好，早上好。Okay, so that's how we start our morning meeting with greeting. And now I have a question for you to share with me. Again, you can ask your parents to text me through Class Jojo. You can comment below. What is one important rule in school and why? So I'll give you an example. For me, I think one of the most important ones is not running in the hallway or in the public area, like the playground area, because you can get hurt. You can get hurt while doing that. So let me put it here. One important rule is don't running in the hallway on the playground, because we can get hurt or bump into others and make them hurt. So just for our and other people's safety. Okay, yes, I look forward to your answers. And now we have our group activity. It's another morning worksheet, and we will talk about it together. Here is the new one. It looks very similar to yesterday's, but it has different skills for you to practice. The first one, nouns. Again, do you remember what does a noun mean? What is a noun? It can be a person, it can be a place, or it can be a thing. So let's get started. The first one, we'll read it together. 3, 2, 1. My friend rode the black horse. Do you find any person? My friend. And there's another thing in here, a living animal, like yesterday. It's a horse, friend and a horse. And let's move to the second one. 3, 2, 1. The baby lamb is hungry. Any things you find? Lamb, that's a thing, a living thing. And the last one, 3, 2, 1. The farmer helped us feed the animals and brush the horses. We have a person, the farmer, as a subject. Any other nouns? There are 2 more nouns: animals and horses. Animals and horses. If you got all of them correct, just give yourself a pat. Good job. And we will see the next part, punctuation. Again, this time you will try to put a comma, a period, quotation mark, question mark, or an exclamation mark to make the sentence look right. The first one, let's read together. 3, 2, 1. I want to ride a horse. It's period, because it's just a normal sentence and we will just stop here. The second one, 3, 2, 1. Do you want to ride a horse? The rising tone, it means it's a question, so we need what? Punctuation. A question mark, awesome. And the next one, We, ready, go. We fed the horse hay. So we fed the horse the food hay. Any idea? It's just a normal sentence to talk about what happened. Let's use a period to end it. That was so much fun. Can you hear the strong emotion in it? Sorry, I just spoiled it. What punctuation do we use? That strong feeling, we use the exclamation mark. And let's move to the next part. Again, we will count how many syllables are in each word. The first word, horse. Remember, each syllable, it can only hold one vowel. Horse, horse, one. Second one, farmer. How many vowels? Farmer, farmer. How many? 2, farmer. And we come to the third one, barn, barn. Barn. Only one vowel sound. R. Barn. 1. And the last one, tractor. 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 2. With our phonics, this time it's not short vowel it's short vowel The mouth should be a little bit flatter. Can you write 4 words that has the sound Think about it. If you have if you have a difficulty in doing that, we can use rhyming. So what are some words that rhyme with hen? An, pen, or maybe, you guys haven't learned it before. Lens, not like the glass lens. Or you can say legs. 10, right? Number 10. If you have other words that sound like feel free to write more on your paper. Our third part of phonics is just put these 5 words in alphabetic order. Remember which word's first letter comes first in the alphabetic order. A, B, no, C. We have 2 C's, but which one goes more first? Let's look at the second letter. We have the H and O. Which one goes more in front of the other in the alphabetic order? H or O? H. So we will put chicken first. And then we have the word cow. And every time I write one, I will cross it out so that I will not repeat it. A, B, C, D, no, E, F, I see the next one, G and H. You find it, which one goes first? Number 3 goes to G. The word is goat. And then we have H, horse. And the last one we will give to the word sheep. Sheep. So let's write that down on your paper. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. You can pause here to finish writing it and then click start to continue. But for now, I will move on to our sentence. We need to fix this one. What's wrong with it? Let's read it together. Ready, go. Do you want to help me feed the cows? When we write a sentence, what should we pay attention to? The first one, capitalization. Does it use capitalized word for the first word's first letter? And we need to find out if they have a finger space, but also punctuation or the spelling. Okay, so let's start with capitalization. Does the first letter in the sentence capitalized? Is it a big D? No. So we will quickly fix it. We will cross it out. Oh, let me use the red color. Cross it out and make a big D. And finger space, I think it's pretty good. Pretty good. Check. What about punctuation? I don't see any commas, periods, things here. Do you want to help me feed the cows? Is it a sentence? Is it a question? Or is something with strong emotion? Do you? It's a question. So we need to mark the question mark in the end. The last one, spelling. Are there any words that seem a little bit wrong to you? What about this word, want? Well, WH does sound like what, like when, what, but want, we only need one W, W-A-N-T. That's a sight word, my friend. If you don't know how to spell it, please memorize it. Want, W-A-N-T. Now, please get your pencil and a paper ready because you need to write the correct sentence down. Do you want to help me feed the cows? Question mark. Okay, feel free to pause it and finish this sentence. Okay, I'll clear the drawing and move to our morning message, our last part. We'll read it all together. Dear second, ready, go. Dear second graders, today is Friday. We will review Meet the Artist story, and we will practice some consonant blends. You will also have the chance to do a quiz to decide, ooh, I forgot to put this one, if it's to decide if it's a good rule or not. And my last question is, what will you do for this weekend? Please let me know. You can send me through Class Jojo or just comment below. What will you do for this weekend? Love, Miss Rose. And we will end here. I will see you guys in other videos, okay? So let me pause here. Bye.